Hey, so if you're having trouble getting your Google Sheet rows to update individually in n8n, I think I have the answer for you. I was having this trouble, but I think I figured it out. So if you test your node, this is just a little simple thing here. I test this, it reads the sheet, and then it creates something based on that information. Or actually, I just have it as a test. I just have it say hi. And then it should update each row individually. But what it was doing was only doing the first row, and I couldn't figure it out. And it turns out that I was mapping it incorrectly. What I was doing was mapping it to a column, but what I needed to do was map it to row number. And that's found at the very bottom of this little section here. So once you do that, and I go back, test this little thing, you'll see that these 3 rows should get some content as a test. And there you go. And now they're all individual different content. So what that does mean is that it actually did process each row individually without needing to go through any kind of loop. So it did go like in this kind of sequence. All right, that's it.